This is at River Center in Milwaukee. The tower elevators here actually are turnstile now. What floor?
Where am I today? I think there.
Have a good one.
Do you fill elevators?
Yeah.
At City Hall across the.
Oh, those are beautiful. Those are awesome.
Beautiful. Take care.
Have a good one. He just knew. That's funny. He was just like, you film elevators? But yes, I did film City Hall, and that video will be going up as well. These are quick.
Second floor.
And we'll go to L4, just ended down there.
Lower level 4.
These are kind of all on the curve.